That's already the plan. And look at this bozo, bro. Look at them. Look at them, bro. Oh, like, look. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo, what is good, YouTube? We is on day number 3 for posting, bro. We is consistent, bro. I'm telling y'all. Listen, I'm a little hungry, so we gonna go get some food from Chick-fil-A. I think Chick-fil-A breakfast stopped at like 10:30 though, so I won't be getting breakfast. I'm gonna get some real food from Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A is good eats. You can't go wrong with Chick-fil-A, bro. It's my last day in Hampton before I go home for winter break. And when I go home, the POVs is about to be smooth. It's about to be smooth. I literally just got up, bro. I realized, like, oh snap, I gotta film a POV. I'm gonna go get some food. That's gonna be my brain food, you know? Then I'm gonna come back, edit this video, and drop for y'all, bro. Of course. I'm consistent, bro. I'm telling y'all. I've been on my grind. We is at 913 subscribers, which means I need 87 more subscribers until I hit 1K. 87 more subscribers. I appreciate all the new subscribers, everybody who watching the videos. Got a lot of new content coming. Got a lot of new content coming. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Christmas. I might do some type of theme, bro. I did the Christmas lights last year, but that tape removal, bro, that was actually a pain, bro. That was probably the worst part of putting the Christmas lights on the car. Seriously, bro. I can't do that again. Y'all hear that? Oh, I'm about to say, no way I'm not finna get hit by no ambulance, bro. Y'all, the goal for this break, I hope I can get started on my star lighting at least. Yeah, that's my main goal. The star lighting and the steering wheel. Those are the 2 things that I'm trying to do. So, for everyone asking, I should get a steering wheel. I'm going to get the steering wheel, trust. When y'all see that steering wheel, you're gonna be like, thank God. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna know it's tough. That's already the plan. And look at this bozo, bro. Look at them. Look at them, bro. Oh, like, look. What are you doing? What are you doing? That's actually an NPC. There's no way. There's no way he just turns out in the road, don't even look, then goes in both lanes, bro. What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? I tell y'all, bro, I do not make this up, bro. I gotta repair the side of my door because some brain dead. Let's leave that alone, bro. Let's leave that alone. I already gotta repair the side of my door. Already, bro. Because people don't pay attention. How you drive and don't pay attention? How you drive and not looking in your mirrors, your rear view mirror? Like, what are you doing? It's like everybody that gets on the road is so distracted. They on their phone. It's crazy, bro. This distracted in life, bro. Like, you can't be, bro. So people just like dead get in the driver's seat and just sit on their phone the whole time. How you even do that, bro? How? Don't even do it. Bro, is it wild to get a milkshake this early? Is it wild, bro? Should I get a milkshake this early? I think I want one. Like, it's still morning time, but like it's about to be 11 o'clock technically. So it's cool. I think we can make an exception, bro. It's a nice Jeep, I'm not gonna lie. It is kind of clean. Alright, y'all, should I get chicken nuggets or chicken sandwich? How you doing?
Name?
Dame.
What can I get for you?
Can I get a spicy chicken sandwich meal?
Spicy chicken sandwich meal. Your drink?
Can I get a strawberry milkshake?
Mm-hmm. Whipped cream and cherry on it?
No cherry. Can I get Chick-fil-A?
What? Are you our third? Dean?
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep,
You too. Yup. Got my milkshake, bro. Let me put y'all on, bro. Chick-fil-A got the best strawberry milkshake. It's probably their best milkshake out there, bro. Cookies and cream, it's cool. I used to be a cookies and cream fan, but it's just mid, bro. It's low-key mid. You just gotta stick with the basics, bro. Go back to the roots. You don't gotta have no cookies in your drink, bro. You don't need that. You know what they call that? That's big bag. Cookies in your drink? It's cool, bro. Get up at 3 a.m. tomorrow, bro, and drive home. Drive home, bro. Did you need to get over it or something, bro? Come on. There's some NPC right here, bro. Like, both of these are NPCs. Like, both of them are stopped. No one pays attention, I'm telling you, bro. No one pays attention. He has signal on, not even getting over, bro. They both distracted. He's still on his phone, bro. something like that. He's not even in the lane, bro. What are you doing? He's not even in the lane. He's not even in his lane. He's not even in his lane, bro. He's about to smack me, bro. Stressful, bro, when you drive out here. Alright, YouTube, I think my GoPro's getting ready to die. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all my new subscribers, bro. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hey, I'm gonna try to keep to my 2-day schedule. If not, we just gonna resume Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You feel me? Y'all have a great day, man. I'm gonna get this video edited. And I'll see y'all later. We out.